Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for studies. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can transform your academic life. It offers a flexible workspace where you can consolidate all your study materials, from lecture notes to project plans. Imagine having everything organized in one place, accessible from any device. This approach helps streamline your workflow and keeps you focused on achieving your academic goals with greater ease. Effective note-taking is crucial for learning, and Notion excels here. You can create dedicated databases for your notes, linking them directly to courses or subjects. This structure ensures everything is interconnected and easy to find. Plus, Notion allows you to embed different media types, like PDFs or web articles, directly into your notes. Using a consistent tagging system will further enhance your ability to quickly locate specific information when you need it most. Managing assignments and deadlines can feel overwhelming, but Notion makes it simple. Create a robust task database where you can log every assignment, complete with due dates, current status, and priority levels. Utilize the calendar view to get a clear visual overview of all your upcoming deadlines, helping you plan your time effectively. You can even set up automated reminders to ensure you never miss an important submission, keeping you on track. For larger projects or group work, Notion becomes an invaluable collaborative hub. You can design reusable project templates to ensure consistent planning and execution across all your endeavors. Sharing pages with your study groups allows for seamless collaboration, where everyone can contribute and track progress in real time. This fosters teamwork and ensures that every member is aligned, making group projects much more manageable and successful for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.